IP address. What is IP address? IP stands for Internet Protocol. IP is a unique address that is assigned to every computer connected to the Internet in order to be easy to refer the information that is asked. For example, if a normal computer connected to the Internet, it has an IP address. And when it searches for information on the web, so if it doesn't have an IP address, the information cannot be referred to this computer that has searched the information. Therefore, every computer has an address, and that is called IP address. And there are two types of IP addresses. The current one is, or there are two versions of IP address. The current one is IP version 4. That looks like this, for example, and the next or the future version that will be used in the near future and is used and has begun to be used, IP version 6. The only cause that was that we have to change, go from IP version 4 to IP version 6, is that the number of IP addresses in IP version 4 will run out due to the increasing number of mobiles, computers, and internet users. So because of that, a more safer with a lot more IP addresses, that is IP version 6, was developed. So the number of IP addresses in IP version 6 is a lot more than the IP version 4. So therefore, due to the increase of need of the IP addresses, this version was developed. So the IP address is assigned by internet service providers. So every time a person connects to the internet, his or her computer will be assigned an IP address by their internet service provider, or the so-called ISP. There are two types of IP addresses that are assigned by ISPs. The first and normal one is dynamic IP address. That is changeable. So every ISP has a number of IP addresses that they assign to their subscribers from time to time, and when the subscriber turn off the computer, so that IP address may be used and assigned to the other subscriber. So it means that a normal computer user connected to an ISP will not have the same IP for several days, maybe one or a couple of days, and after that IP will be changed to another one. And the second type of IP address is static IP addresses. That is not changeable. That is the same IP address for a computer or a server. And mostly the ones who want to have static IP address, they have to request for that to their ISP, and they have to pay a little bit extra in order to have the static IP address. And the normal computers that are connected to the IP, to the internet, they have a dynamic IP address, as I said before. But the servers, they should have static IP address, because when they have static IP address, so their IP address should be connected to a domain name, which is easier for the user to type and to memorize. So in this case, when one types the address of a website, so that is referred to the domain name service, which matches the domain name with the IP address and then connects to the website by the IP address. So the servers must have static IP address, but the normal PCs, dynamic IP address that is changeable is normally used for them. So that is all about IP address and its usage and type. Bye for now.